Okay, so now we're into section A here for polynomials, and I'll go through these two test questions. I really like both of these questions because for number 16, the second one we're going to do, it's something pretty similar to what they've done on the Regents exam a couple of times, and it's a great application of distribution and distributed properties. And number 11 is good because you have to know all the laws of exponents to get number 11 correct. So, without any further ado, let's work on number 11. All right, so the first thing I have to do is the exponent. Namely, I need to raise 2n to the third to the fourth. So that gives me 4n squared times 16n to the 12th over 32n to the fifth. Then 4 times 16 is going to be 64 n to the 14th over, because you have to multiply coefficients, add exponents, okay, over 32 n to the fifth. And then 32 goes into 64 twice, subtract exponents, 2n to the ninth is the correct answer to number 11. Okay, again, I went through that pretty quickly, but first you do the fourth exponent, which means 2 to the fourth is 16. A lot of times kids forget and they just write 2n to the 12th. Pretty much everybody knows n to the third to the fourth, multiply exponents, n to the 12th. But a lot of kids forget the 16 here. It's not a 2. The fourth is outside the exponent, so it applies to everything inside the exponent. 2 to the fourth is 16, 4n squared. Then I have to multiply 4n squared times 16n to the 12th. That gives me 64, 4 times 16, multiply coefficients. Add exponents, 2 plus 12 is 14, 32n to the fifth, divide 2n to the ninth. Now, next up, number 16, length width of a rectangle. So I'm just going to, volume is length times width times height. So first I'm going to do 2x plus 1 times x plus 7. And if I do that, double distributing, you could do the box method if you wanted to. 2x squared plus 14x, because 2x times 7 is 14x. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 7 is 7. You can always combine the middle terms. 2x squared plus 15x's plus 7. Now, I need to do this trinomial times the last remaining monomial, which is x minus 2. So I'm going to do 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 times x minus 2. So I'm actually now going to triple distribute. Do the 2x squared times both, then the 15x times both. I'll draw the hoops when I get to that, and then the 7s. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2 is minus 4x squared. Now I'm going to do the 15x times both of them. 15x times x is positive 15x squared. Positive 15x times negative 2 is minus 30x. And now I'll do the 7 times both, which would be plus 7x and minus 14. These guys can be combined, so can these. 2x to the third plus 11x squared minus 23x minus 14. And that is my expression for the volume all multiplied out. Okay, guys, let's straighten it out. This is a test chock full of Regents exam type stuff. So hopefully you feel a lot more comfortable with this after you are done with the Relearn packet and you do really well on the test, and we're looking good for the Regents.